I had the opportunity to review a pre-production sample of this new backpack by a Hong Kong-based company called YKK. All of their previous backpacks have been smaller day packs, and this is the first bag they've made that's large enough to be what I consider to be a travel backpack. As of today, the 30-liter YKK Max backpack is available for pre-order on Kickstarter, which will start shipping in February. The materials on this pack are totally solid. On the front and the sides of the bag, they use this VX21 X-Pac fabric. It's a waterproof, very abrasion resistant fabric. And then on the bottom and the sides, where the bag gets more wear, they use this really robust 1000 denier Cordura. The zippers on the main compartment is this gigantic number 10 YKK locking zippers. And these all have these big nylon pull tabs. They use these large number 8 non-locking YKKs on the rest of the exterior pockets, except for this laptop compartment where they have a number 8 YKK locking water-resistant zipper. All the other hardware is very sturdy nylon Duraflex adjusters on the backpack straps, and then this magnetic, really easy to use sternum strap buckle. The YKK Max has a 30-liter capacity, which is large enough for a long weekend trip or extended travel if you're a minimalist packer. The size is designed for a carry-on travel. This thing will easily fit in the overhead with dimensions 20.5 by 12.5 wide by about 8 inches deep. And this is also small enough that it's going to fit under the seat on many airlines. The exterior on the YKK has a lot of features while also keeping a minimalist look. There are 4 organizational pockets, a laptop compartment on the back, and then 3 carry handles. They keep this minimalist look by hiding some of the pockets, like this back top slash pocket located behind the laptop compartment. You can barely see the zipper when it's shut, but when you open it, this pocket is actually quite large, going down to about here in the back of the bag. This front slash pocket is also hidden behind this little fabric flap. It opens from the side, and the capacity goes almost all the way from the top to the bottom of the bag. Inside this pocket are these 2 fabric stretchy pockets, and then this little daisy chain that has a removable key leash on here, which I'll show you. You can take this off. Some options to put it in other pockets in the bag. The left side of this pack has this skinny side pocket. It's not very thin, but it's pretty tall. It's large enough for this travel tripod I have. This also has an interior daisy chain where you can attach the key leash. The other side of the pack has this water bottle pocket where you can see the capacity extends on the inside of the bag instead of the outside. I think this is a great design because this pocket will hold almost any size water bottle that you want to put in there. The capacity is going to take up some room for the main compartment, but if you decide you don't want to carry a water bottle, then this thing collapses down and it doesn't take up any room at all. The laptop compartment is located in the back of the bag, opens with this zipper that goes across the top and down almost the full length of one of the sides. The lid doesn't open all the way, but it opens enough to give you good access to the inside, which has a well-padded laptop sleeve as well as some organizational pockets. On the top is a small zippered padded sleeve with 4 fabric dividers for electronics that you want to keep well protected. On the back is the laptop sleeve that holds up to a 17-inch laptop, as well as 2 further fabric dividers. This thing is huge and very well protected. This is a 15-inch Dell. This thing will hold up to a 17-inch laptop, and there's a ton of padding on this thing to keep it protected. There's this thin, firm piece of foam padding right here. There's another piece of padding between the laptop and the main compartment. On the back is this frame sheet, which I took out of its casing. It's got a firm plastic on one side and a foam padding on the other. And that's in addition to another piece of padding that's between the laptop compartment and the back, and the back padding of the backpack. In addition to all that padding, the compartment has false bottom and false sides, which means that your laptop is not going to be pressing up against the sides or the bottom of the pack. Ends about right here in the bottom. Taking a look at the carry options, we have several side carry handles, this luggage pass-through strap, and non-stowable shoulder straps. The side carry handles are very sturdy nylon webbing, similar to a seatbelt material. The handles are thin, but they're well padded, and these things are very well attached to the bag. There's another nylon strap on the back. You could use this to carry the bag, but it's really intended to be a luggage pass-through sleeve. if you're using this bag in addition to a piece of rolling luggage. The shoulder straps on the Able Carry are very wide and well padded. The attachment points are really solid. The top of the bag sewn in over here, and then the bottom, the strap continues all the way around to the bottom of the bag with a couple further daisy chain attachment points. The adjustable sternum strap slides up and down with this hidden nylon webbing behind this fabric flap. This thing is really easy to attach. It's very sturdy, but magnetic buckle lets you detach and reattach it really easily. The back padding is soft and squishy. It's about as thick as the padding on the backpack straps. Has this fabric mesh, give it some air ventilation, as well as these air channels running down the back. This is what the Able Carry looks like on me, fully packed with about 16.5 pounds of travel gear. I think this thing is really comfortable to wear. The shoulder straps are wide, well padded. The back padding is soft and comfortable. And all the straps and buckles are really easy to adjust. The interior compartment on the Able Carry opens from the top with this large panel style lid. The organizational style is one large main compartment with two small pockets in the top lid. There's one small fabric zippered pocket on the top, and then another larger mesh pocket below that. Packing cubes work great with this pack. Able Carry doesn't make packing cubes for this bag, so I tried a few different sizes to see what works best. I went with this Spectre Tech Eagle Creek compression cube set. These things fit in here pretty well. Medium one is 14 by 10, and then the smaller cube is 7 by 10. And that leaves me with this space on the top, which is almost a perfect fit for my toiletry kit. Then real quick, show you what I have in here. I have 4 t-shirts, a long underwear top, long underwear bottom, a pair of polyester pants, and a long sleeve wool shirt. In the smaller cube, I have 4 pairs of underwear and 3 pairs of socks, a thinner one and 2 thicker ones. And then because it's December, I'm gonna take some warmer clothes. I have a rain jacket here, hat and gloves, and then a thin synthetic puffy jacket. And then there's plenty of extra room in all the exterior pockets for all of my accessories and electronics. This is what the bag looks like with all that gear I had on the table there. Again, that's enough clothes for a long weekend, cold weather climate, or extended travel if you wanted to do laundry. And the final weight on this thing ended up being about 7.5 kilograms or 16.5 pounds. In summary, the Able Carry Max is a solid travel backpack. It's large enough for extended travel if you pack light, or long weekend trips if you don't. It's also small enough for everyday use, which means that you won't need to carry an extra day pack with this bag. The materials and construction are about as solid as you're gonna get with a travel backpack. It's very well made. I love the organization, and this laptop compartment is very well protected. However, the sturdy construction comes at the expense of weight. At almost 3.5 pounds or 1.72 kilograms, the Able Carry Max is on the high end for what I see for travel backpacks, especially considering it only has a 30-liter capacity. So again, thanks for watching this review on the Able Carry Max 30-liter travel backpack. If you like this, please subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.